As a society, we want to reduce our dependence on animal testing. But how do we make the transition to animal-free biomedical research? There are two ways of looking at this question, and the 3Rs Centre Utrecht is trying to connect them. The first way is that of the 3Rs, where the focus is on the laboratory animals. The idea is to replace them entirely or to reduce their use as much as possible. If neither of these is possible, then you can attempt to refine the experimental procedures in order to optimize their well-being and to minimize their suffering. Replacement takes priority over reduction and refinement, since ultimately the goal is to find animal-free alternatives, such as developing new technologies or testing on humans. The second way of looking at this question is New Approach Methods, or NAMs. The perspective of NAMs is that of the human. For example, there are research methods that were not primarily intended to replace animal experimentation, but that may serve that purpose. NAMs often center around a particular technology. For example, to study specific functions, researchers may try to reconstruct or recreate an entire organ. Frequently, these methods involve human tissue. Both ways of thinking can help to reduce laboratory animal use in biomedical research. But to do so, they need to complement one another. Currently, this is not always the case, and that is a missed opportunity. The 3R Centre Utrecht is working towards a future where eventually biomedical science will be animal-free. We support researchers working with laboratory animals in their search for replacement and NAMs. And we bring researchers developing NAMs in contact with researchers using laboratory animals. Because together, they offer the biomedical research field the best chances for an animal-free future. Will you join us?